What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We have another little gadget for our little office slash studio slash gaming room slash whatever I want it to be. I've been wanting a soundbar, and in just a few moments I'm going to show you why I've been wanting a soundbar in here. I have a Sony TV right here, the one that was supposedly specifically made for the PS5. Great TV, visuals look great, punchy colors, visuals, all that good stuff. But I do want a little bit more oomph when I'm playing video games. Not that the sound is bad on this TV, it's just for the atmosphere that I'm trying to create in this space, I need the sound to be a little bit more punchy, the dialogue to be a little bit clearer, and just some of the theatrical and cinematic stuff. Immersive, that's the word. I want it to be a little bit more immersive in here. So we went out and we got this Vizio V Series 5.1 Soundbar. Now this is going to be probably, if you're looking for a soundbar, this is probably going to be the best bang for your buck, okay? And for several different reasons. I'm going to give you those reasons really quick. Number one, the price. On Amazon, if you check right now, this thing is about $179. It's like 18% off. It's usually about $219, but it's $170 or $180 right now. But the reason why it's that cheap is because, from what I've heard, it's a decent brand, but I guess it's considered like Walmart brand now. I guess they own Vizio. It's more on the budget friendly, but this one in particular is probably going to be the best bang for your buck because, number one, like I said, the price is $180, so it's cheaper than $200. And then two, this is a 5.1 channel system. What that really means is usually most cheaper sound bars, they come with only 2 channels. This one comes with 5. If you don't know, you usually want 3, okay? 2 mainly focus on sound, but that third one usually focus on dialogue. And then the next thing is that it comes with 2 additional speakers that you can put anywhere in your space. Another thing, let me not forget, it comes with a woofer, a subwoofer, so you're gonna get that punchy bass, and you can set that up anywhere in your room as well. Another reason, it is Bluetooth, so you can connect to whatever you want to connect to, which is fine. So I'm probably going to be connecting it to this Sony TV and also my gaming monitor right here. And another thing, last but not least, is that this has a remote on it, so you can change some of the settings. You don't have to get stuck with the default settings. Like I said, we're going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to go from there. But before we get into that, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy this content, by the end of the video, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, again, by the end of the video, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy the content. It's the best way that I and YouTube knows you guys enjoy these type of videos. So without any further ado, let's open this bad boy. All right, so there's some tabs on here that we want to open up first. All right, so the first thing out of the box, we have some cables right here. So it looks like this right here, we have some audio jacks. This is probably for the additional speakers that you get. I don't think this goes on the main soundbar. So you have that, and then you have a power cable right here. Another thing in here, it looks like another power cable right here. This might be for the woofer. And then you have another audio jack right here for the other speaker. You got some screws and some like brackets right here. So I believe that is probably for mounting, which I don't think we're going to be mounting this in here, but I got to view the landscape to see where I want everything. You have some Velcro straps right here. You have an HDMI cable, so you will not have to buy your own. You got some instructions on the back. This is your subwoofer right here. So this is your subwoofer here. You got a little branding on the front right there, or I believe that's probably the top. Yeah, that's the top. And then you have the bass right here. You got a little sound pad right here just in case, you know, absorbing that sound. Yeah, this is the back right here. You have some ports right there, the power on and off. Also on here you have some ports for your antennas for your surround sound for the additional speakers. So here's one speaker right here. Looks like it's wrapped like a burger. Boom. Here is one of your additional speakers right here. You have a port on the back for that little antenna that I was showing you guys, or that little cable that will connect from this to the subwoofer. And I would imagine this other one is exactly the same. So let's put that to the side and open this up right here. Here's your other speaker right here. Same thing. So last but not least is the sound bar itself. So let's open this up and take this out of the packaging. trying to be very careful. I do not want to break this before I actually utilize it. That would be very unfortunate. So you have some brackets or some areas where you can clearly mount this on the wall. Again, I'm still up in the air on if I do want to mount this or not. I am not sure. This is the front of your soundbar. So more than likely, I'm going to sit it right here, and I'll show you guys this once I put everything together. I'm going to sit this right here in front of my gaming monitor. So that'll probably be the best spot. But yeah, we are going to look around and read these instructions really quick, and then I'll fast forward it and read it for you guys and then tell you how we're going to put this together. 1 second. All right, you guys, so I read through the instructions. They're very simple. There's literally 4 steps on this thing. Basically, you figure out where you want to put it in the room. You plug the HDMI up from the soundbar to the TV, and then you plug the power up from the soundbar to your power outlet. And then you figure out where you want your subwoofer and your TV, or not your TVs, but you figure out where you want your subwoofer and your additional speakers. Once you figure out where those are going to go, you will plug the subwoofer connectors to the speakers, hook those up, and then you would connect the power from the subwoofer to a power outlet. All you got to do is use the TV remote and then select your soundbars. All right, so just to give you guys perspective, this is where I end up putting the soundbar. I put it right in front of my gaming monitor. All right, so this is what it sounds like without the speaker. And hopefully this process is pretty seamless.
2 seconds later.
From there, so that is with the volume on 40. So let's turn it down to 20, just so you can see the difference of if I have the volume on like a louder sound versus a lower sound versus when I plug it up to the sound bar, how loud that I need to put the volume to actually get a very loud sound. No, I came here last week with the Cybertruck. The staff was more than accommodating. They let me record. I'm a YouTuber. And then when I came... And just to check it out, let's go all the way down to 10. Alright, you guys, so this area here is usually where I sit and play like more role-playing games, or I watch entertainment, whether it be YouTube videos, movies, whatever the case is. So I wanted the subwoofer and the extra speakers to be somewhere closer to that so I can feel extra sound when I'm a little bit of a distance away from the TV or gaming monitor. Alright, you guys, so now that we have everything set up, let's see what it sounds like with the speaker and the surround sound and the subwoofer. We're going to test a few different videos that has a few different audio quality to it. So we're going to click on like some loud run and gun Call of Duty stuff, and then some other videos that has more like music and stuff in it. So let's check it out really quick. And just so you guys know, we're going to start with the volume on 30, and then you'll just see I gradually increase it or decrease it. I knew it was 2 over there. I can only get 1. Let's go. Jump down. Got him. Chase me. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We are playing, finally, Call of Duty Black Ops 6. We're playing the early access beta. It's live today, right now, so if you did pre-order the game, make sure to swing over to this.
Extremely excited for you to join us for this early look at our game, officially launching on October 25th. As you dive in, we encourage you to check out the training course to get a
we got subtitle. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. And apparently 2K has dropped supposedly gameplay trailer. I doubt it's going to be much gameplay in there. But apparently they dropped that for NBA 2K25. Now, I've been on the train for the past several years of not giving 2K my money anymore. You fool me once. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be my full unboxing of this product. Yo, let me put this in perspective. I don't think y'all is sinking in your belly right here. This is less than $200 with an amazing wide array of features, from the 5 channels to the voice enhancement to the Bluetooth to the wire connection to the on-app settings that you can adjust on the fly. You can connect it to multiple devices. The setup is super easy. You have a woofer, you have 2 additional speakers. I mean, what more could you want? This thing is more than enough for the price tag. I highly recommend this one. I have a Samsung soundbar downstairs, and in my humble opinion, the price was even cheaper. Like, how could you beat this? I'm trying to think in my mind, how could you beat this? How can you justify getting something over this? Hey, I still have some testing to do. We're gonna check it out. I don't know, it's looking like some stiff competition around here. That's all I gotta say. But again, if you guys want this, make sure to hit that link in the description. You can check it out on Amazon. And yeah, we're rolling out. I will test this thing out thoroughly. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.